Hello friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel and Facebook page. Today, I will show you how to backup and restore Windows 11. Let's go start. Open the Start menu, type in CMD, and select Run as Administrator. Type here diskpart. Then type here list volume. These are two volumes. One is on operating systems, and the other one. Local drive D. Black to command prompt. Exit. This command was added to the video description. Copy and paste the command. This is backup command. Do you want the backup operation? Then yes, right here. Waiting for some minutes for the process on the command. Successfully the backup. The backup of volume, EFI system partition, completed successfully. This is backup file. Open the Start menu, type in CMD, and select Run as Administrator. Copy the command and paste here. Enter press. Copy the version identifier. Paste here. Connect USB drive already bootable Windows systems. Now restart your computer and press F2 on your keyboard. Then click Troubleshoot. Advanced Options. Then click Command Prompt. Then type here, wbadmin start recovery version 01/06/2026-06:09 BackupTarget D. After completed typing, then press Enter. If you are first visiting my YouTube channel and Facebook page, please subscribe, like, follow, and notify the bell icon. Click and see your next updated video.